Welcome to Cafe Inoma on this rainy evening in Mumbai, and we are going to react to Linda Ronstadt and Aaron Neville, and we are going to listen to their song Don't Know Much. Let's get started with it.
Yeah, let's get started with this very popular request. You're taking up many subscriber requests. Let's get started.
Look at this face, I know the years are showing. Look at this life, I still don't know where it's going. I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know.
Look at these eyes, they've never seen what matters. Look at these dreams, so big and so better.
I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know. So many questions still left unanswered. So much I've never broken through.
And when I feel you near me, sometimes I see so clearly the only truth I've ever known is me and you.
Look at this man, so blessed with inspiration. Look at this soul, still searching for salvation. I don't know much, but I know I love you. And that may be all I need to know. But I know I love you. That may be all I need to know. I don't know much, but I know I love you. That may be all there is to know.
Whoa!
Okay, first off, second off, third off, whatever you want to say, I don't know much. I really don't know much, but one thing I know, I love their voices. That's all I need to know. That's all matters, that I like their voices. I love their voices. I don't just like it, I love their voices. Where was Aaron Neville? You hear a lot and you think you've heard a lot, and then you're given something that you again are amazed with. Where was this artist? He's got a refreshingly amazing voice. I like, he has a way of breaking the words at the end of the word, the ending the word. Those things were spectacular. That is something unique I've ever heard. The way he sings, and he has a way of ending every word. That ending of the word is masterly. I didn't know I would be talking about someone's ending of the word, but that's how it sounded. Linda Ronstadt, we already knew she's a phenomenal singer. She's a great vocal. She's got a great voice. But Aaron Neville, where was this person? Where was this person? I don't know. And you are amazed when you listen to it. I am amazed today listening to this. I love the music, but on this one, I have to keep on only talking about the vocals. I love the music. I like the drums. I like the piano. I like the guitar solo. But these two voices are not everyday thing.
Yeah, these two voices, their chemistry, their combination is a match made in heaven. It's heavenly. It's words can't describe what we just heard. I must confess, though, I've definitely heard this hook somewhere, but I don't remember where. Honestly. This was absolutely breathtaking. This was absolutely beautiful. Very pure, very simple, raw. I don't know much, but I love you. But I know I love you. That's all that matters. That's all that I need to know. That's all that matters. And this will hit home hard with all those couples, especially couples who have gone against the odds to make it work or to be together in love. And it happens very commonly in our part of the world because we have a lot of marriages on the run, love marriages or marriages which
Eloped.
you have people, the couple has eloped, So this will hit home hard with all of them. This part of the world, other side of the world, everywhere. I don't know much, but I know I love you, and that is all that matters. Despite what the world may say, despite what our loved ones may say, friends may say, at the end it is Kirti and me. We both are husband and wife. We both are in a marital relationship. We both are a family with our kids. So it doesn't matter what the world thinks about us, about our family, about our relationship, anything. And that's what these people are saying. And everyone out there, if they just realize that it doesn't matter what other people say, it's all about our love for each other. Keeping it pure, true, simple and raw, so innocent. Oh, his voice, her voice, his voice, her voice, both their voices.
Yeah.
I don't know much, but I know I love this song. And that is all I'm here to say. Oh, that was miserable compared to what I just heard. I can give a little bit of an excuse for a sore voice today because of a lot of heavy singing already. But before the start of this session, wow, but this is beautiful.